Yeah,
The hedgerow officer came out yesterday, as
tree
you know.
officer.
The what, sorry?
It's a tree officer.
Yeah,
The tree
hedgerow
officer.
Tree officer came out yesterday, and he said that there was no official bank there, and it started from down there. So what are you trying to do?
We've got the evidence for it.
You haven't got the evidence.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
It's in the
So
tithe.
you
It's in
know
the
more than
tithe.
the council now, do you?
Yeah, we
The
do.
tithe-
Yeah, it's in the tithe record.
map, which was
And the satellite photo.
our
No,
hedge.
no satellite photo.
Oh, I tell you what,
We go on the land registry.
Right, actually, you're wrong. The land registry says like this isn't accurate.
No,
Right,
it doesn't say it's
yeah, it
inaccurate.
does. Oh, come on, you know what the score is, because that's why you've done it.
No.
It is. It's why you've done it. It's why you've done it, Dave. Come on.
The owner of the land and I, yesterday, were in agreement with how we left it.
That's not true, because
It is true.
no, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. I spoke with Jason last night. He says, sort this out. Just sort of deal with it.
I'm sorry. You've
Right.
got to admit when you're wrong.
No, we're not wrong. We're not
You
wrong.
are
Right.
wrong.
Look, the tithe map shows the hedge line
You've
going
now
all the
moved
way
this over
there.
Once again,
Right, in
when there was no need
1850. It was in 1850, Dave, right?
No.
And there was,
Sorry,
right?
you have no right to do what
You
you're doing.
chuck
Yeah,
a load
yeah, we
of
do.
rubble
Yeah, right, okay,
all
right.
over this side as
And
well.
we're also starting to do the paperwork to take an injunction out against you if you
Are
can
you?
manage it.
An
Yes,
injunction out for what?
to stop your encroachment.
There isn't an encroachment.
There is.
Because the owner of the land, guys, was in agreement with me yesterday.
No, he wasn't.
He
It's
came
not what
here
he's
with
saying
his
to
He's
daughter.
not always saying. He's not always saying to us, and we've got.
Really?
Yeah, right, and right. The lease specifically mentions a duty to fix the hedge.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it
You
doesn't.
can
Oh, you
have a look at
you
that.
do
Yeah,
you know, do
look,
you?
It says
Look, guys.
we have
Look.
the responsibility to maintain the hedge and the
Yeah,
boundary.
yeah, and blah blah
Right,
blah.
that's
And
what lease
restore,
boundaries
restore,
do.
and
There
restore.
was no boundary there.
Look,
There
Dave.
was no
Right,
boundary there.
This
We
ba- this
made a
this this.
decision. The owner of the
No,
land.
right. No, you can't. Look, you can't just do that. Actually,
Yes,
you
I
need.
can.
No, you can't.
I
Right.
haven't just done it.
Right. No, you.
I
you
haven't
look,
just done it,
no,
guys.
Right.
You know, the owner of the land and I,
Right.
we were yesterday discussing it. Okay.
Right. Right. Okay. You've got
We are in disagreement
you've
and
got
we're
no
the ones
agreement
releasing
that's
it.
caused a variation to the boundary line.
Sorry?
Right. You've got no agreement that's caused a variation
have
to
an
the boundary
agreement
line.
with the owner of the
no,
land.
no, you don't. Right.
He leases it to us,
Right,
and
so
he's
you
leased
don't,
it
right.
for
But
10 years.
No,
He still
right.
owns the land.
No, that
Right.
doesn't
Still owns
matter.
it.
It doesn't
It does
matter.
matter.
No, it doesn't.
Right.
Yes,
does.
it doesn't.
We have responsibility
Yeah,
for the
we've
hedge
got-
and the hedge boundary for the 10-year
Right,
lease.
right, and there's no question, right? The tithe map shows it going dead straight.
No, it
And
doesn't.
then, yes, it does.
You haven't seen the tithe
I
map,
have seen
Dave.
it.
Right, and
Right, okay.
I
and
tell you what, go and get it and show it to me then.
right.
Go and get it for me and show it to me.
It-
Prove
look,
to me
right.
that you're right and I'm wrong.
Okay,
No.
we're
will
right.
you
We're
please
right.
prove to me?
We're right. Firstly, because there's a continuous line all the way.
There's not.
Yeah, there is.
I'll show
Get
you.
the
Get
map,
and
show
show
him.
me then.
you.
Come on.
Right.
Go and get me the map and show me.
Right, from 1850, and the satellite photo from 1969.
A satellite photo from 1960. You're grasping at straws here.
No, we're not. Look,
You are.
look, Dave. You ain't been here long enough. You ain't been here the 10 years to do it, right? Okay.
What do you mean I haven't been here the 10 years to do it?
You haven't been here the 10 years to make good an encroachment. Sorry.
You've
Right.
only been here 24 months. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, right, well,
What are you trying to prove, guys?
We're trying to prove that you can't just bullyingly take over. I mean,
I'm
look at
not
a rip-off.
bullying taking over.
Oh, you are.
I'm
You
not
are.
bullying taking over,
You are.
guys. You know, if
You
the
are.
owner of the land-
Right, here you go.
That Jason's just had a serious operation.
Jason's had enough
and
of
he's
it,
not-
and he's,
and
handed
not
it, and he's
100%.
giving it to us because you're taking
And
advantage of
that's
it.
I'm not taking
unfair.
advantage.
Right, okay.
And if Jason
That's the
wanted us
tithe
to stop,
map.
he'd tell us, and he
Right.
hasn't.
And we said keep going. Right, he says go
Right.
ahead. Right, so there's the tithe
Okay,
map.
there you go. That is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
for
No,
goodness
it's
sake,
not.
can you
Right.
just please look
So
at
how do you prove what that's
This-
from? That's
Right,
got no
we-
reference on it.
No,
Right.
that bit hasn't, but we can show
That
you the bit
hasn't-
that does.
Right, shall I to give you a bit of history? Right, the
Please
tithe
don't
maps of.
patronise me.
We're not doing, Dave.
No, I'm not
honestly.
actually. I'm respecting you because
Yeah.
I'm trying to give you the information
What
to
is
make
that?
you understand.
It's the
Right,
map
it's the
of
tithe
Royal
map.
Park. Look.
Right, recently Wales used 850 volunteers to digitise the tithe maps. Right, there was a tithe law in 1838. Right, and in consequence of that, tithe maps were made all over England and Wales.
sorry,
and this is the
I
tithe
disagree.
map. So our friend, who is an expert hedge layer called Malcolm Edwards, Google him because you will find that he is, and he's used by lots of people around here. He said, right, okay, if you have any problem with where the hedge went, he says, look at the tithe map because they are pre-ordnance survey and they follow the hedge.
Right, so the hedge was there before 1850. Yeah, for sure.
So
I'm sorry.
goes.
Yeah, it is.
That has no
Right,
relevance.
that
You know,
is the hedge.
that doesn't give me.
No,
That's
look,
where we are.
what it
that
shows
doesn't
is
give me any reference to show that that's where we are.
Right, what it shows is there's a contiguous.
Well, I can do
there's a
that,
contiguous,
but this is a screenshot, right?
There's a no, you have.
Carry on
Right.
digging,
There's a
okay?
contiguous
And do what you
hedge
think
all the
you
way
want to do.
down.
There
right?
is, that's
Now,
the straight
okay,
line, right?
Where's the other one?
changes.
Where's the satellite photo? Now there's
Right,
then a
okay.
satellite photo, and we could probably get better. No.
Well, I didn't pack that.
There's a
'cause that
satellite
was what you
photo
did.
which shows the hedge here in 1969.
Okay, if you say so.
Right now, if it does, which it does, yes, I do say so because it does.
Okay.
All right, and the boundary hasn't changed. There's been no variation in the boundary. Then it runs straight from behind that tree, straight down here.
A nice thing going on
Yeah.
here, aren't we? So we can continue it here and sort of get that to the same standard as.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just needs a little bit more soil, doesn't it?
It does. Dump some soil on
So
there.
I need to mat it, maybe some soil loose to get it over here.
Well, there's a big chunk of soil under this bit
There
here.
is, isn't there?
If we can start moving the stone down, I can dig that out.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's almost the soil. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. It's quite tricky to know where to take it from, so it's not missing there. Where are they? They're taking their time filling up that wheelbarrow. I think there's another load coming now.
So I'll spread them down this end, yeah? That big one needs to go in somewhere there, yeah? Mind yourself.
I think I'm better in bringing stones here for distribution.
What, rather than placing?
Yes,
Did you place some of these? Or?
I placed, hang on, those here.
They look alright.
Is that okay?
Do they need sort of stamping down? Do they?
Maybe.
Hey, hey!
I'm not sure how stable they are.
It's March 14th, 2023. The events in the video with the Hedgerow destruction and restoration occurred in July, August and September of 2022, and this is what the site looks like now.